this is how you can insert a bookmark and link it in your document. So bookmark is almost like an outline or table of content in Google Docs, and when you click on that bookmark, that will direct you to that specific location. So let me give you an example. To insert a bookmark, let's say I want to add a bookmark in this part, so I'm going to place the cursor right here, and let's go to insert and click bookmark. So this will create this tiny bookmark, and you can click on it to get this copy link option. Click copy link. So this is the link that when you open, it will lead you to this specific section of your document. So let me give you an example. If I, let's say, just open another document and I'm going to add a hyperlink. Let's copy and paste that link. Let's click apply. And when I click on this link, you'll see that it will direct me to that location of the document. So it will direct me right here instead of going to the top. So yeah, this is how you can insert a bookmark and then link it on your document. I hope that helps.